Hi, today I want to compare two area. One of them is in Euro, another one is in GBP USD. But I enter in one of them. Let's see.
Also we have a FVG here and we are waiting price to came to the zone and take a reaction. We try to refine our POI, and as you see here we have a unmitigated black here, and as you see here is another unmitigated black. And between them is FVG. So we are waiting price came to one of this zone, and after seeing change of character we are trying to enter to the position. Let's see what will happen. As you see price touched this area, made an engulfing candle, but we are need a change of character at first. As you see we have a change of character here, but price had a very fast reaction and goes to the danger zone. This is our danger zone. Price had a very fast reaction to this area. So when price came directly to the danger zone, we don't expect any trading. But if price came to this zone and then goes up, we try to find the setup and enter to the position until the profit till end of this range. But price came very fast and touch our danger zone, so we don't enter to this setup, and it's not based on our rules. And let's see what will happen. Now price came back to our zone. This is our change of character. Base of QMR setup. We are waiting here for a setup, but as I said, because price touch our zone and continue goes out of our range, we are not expect any trade here, and we don't enter to the market. Let's see what happened. As you see, price had a little reaction to this zone, and maybe if it was 2 years ago, I will enter to this zone, and when price came to this area, I will be very happy and said, oh my god, I can take this trade. But let's see what will happen. Price break our area and hit our stop loss if we enter to this zone. This is my second example and why I enter to this position. Let's see together. As you see here, we have a DMD1, same as previous example. We have a FVG and price just has a 2 candle separate from the area, no longer. And we are waiting price if came back to the zone from this area. But if made many candles to the lower side, it's not valid. Let's see what happened. And this is the midnight. Okay, price came back to the zone and we are going to the lower time frame to see is there any setups or not. As you see in a lower time frame, we have a change of character, one of our condition for entry to the position. And as you see, we have here QMR. Okay, let's see if there is a engulfing candle, we will enter to the position. As you see, we don't have any engulfing candle, so we should wait. So let me delete this condition and this one. Now we have a change of character. This is our change of character. Now we are waiting for any of 5 setups. Then we will enter to the position. Okay, I see SNR 2 setup here. Can you see that? Let me show you. As you see, it's here. But if you don't know SNR C1 or 2, you can check my playlist. And we will waiting price to touch this zone, and after seeing engulfing candle we will enter to the position. And as you see, price didn't came up from the end of the range. Where is our end of the range? Let me zoom out. It is very far away. It's around here, so it's still valid. We are waiting price. Okay. As you see, finally price touch our setup area, and we have an engulfing candle here. So I will enter to the position in this area, put my stop loss above the setup area. And what is my target? Let me zoom out. As I said in the previous videos, my First target is end of the range, something like this, and my risk reward ratio is around 2.8. okay, zoom in, see what is going on. We are waiting to price hit our TP. Oh, this goes up. You know, trading is not easy because you should wait all of this move, all of this candle. Because of that, trading is not very easy. But if you know and if you have enough practice, you will find your rules, your strategy, and you can wait for all of these candles, and finally price touch my target.